As we continue to move forward with our practice, I want to share a quote. I think Bruce Lee said it, but the concept of you fight how you train. So if you are sitting here and you're going, I really don't want to practice. I want to do this. This is not fun. You are going to operate in the field to the degree and the level of effectiveness that you practice. So if you don't practice, you don't put in the effort to determine client styles and then put together an action plan, really, how do you expect to do well with it in the marketplace? Okay, so let's take the time, let's slow down so we can speed up and practice with the various styles. So with that S style, once again, they're steadfast, they're systematic, they're dependable, they're agreeable, they're listening. When you are working with that client, I want you to jot down some names. Do you have any current clients that fit into that? If not, then let's just do this for practice. There's just an avatar, okay, that we're creating, this person, because you will come into contact with a person like that, or you have in the past. And use your d.i.s.c style guide and the backside of it, and look at the do's and don'ts and put together an action plan for this style. Now, let me give you some tips real quick. If you are an S style, this will be easy. Once again, this is easy for you because you're just talking to your counterpart, someone that's just like you. But you'll need to make sure that action is taken by each of you. Okay, so take action. That's important. Next, if you are a C sales style, then you'll need to warm yourself up and focus less on the facts and more on the person sitting across from you. If you are a D style, you will need to exercise patience in this process when working with that S style buyer. And then if you are an I, you will need to tone down your enthusiasm a little bit. Okay, so go ahead, take some time, think of some expectations and requests that you've had from this style in the past, and use it to create an action plan for the S style buyer.